If you don't have leads, you don't have a business. But what if you could create a system that you automatically collect emails 24/7? Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Systeme.io to get leads even if you are a complete beginner. And I'll be showing you a system that actually works in 2026. I've included links in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up to Systeme.io for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Here's the system we're building today. Someone visits your landing page, they enter their email, Systeme.io stores the email and automatically sends them an email. This is the foundation of lead generation, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. The first thing we're going to be doing is creating our landing page. So we're going to simply hover over sides from the top navigation bar, and I want you to select Sales Funnel. After selecting Sales Funnel, you're going to tap on Create in the top right hand corner, and you can give the funnel a name. So I'll just call it First. Then we're going to select Build an Audience, and you can change the currency or you can leave it as is. I'm just going to be changing it to USD. Then we'll tap on Save, and you're going to tap on the landing page name. After doing that, you're going to see two options, the opt-in page and the thank you page. You'll need to select a template for both. So the opt-in page is basically the landing page. This is the first page that persons will see. So you can scroll down and you can see there are numerous templates you can choose from. You can scroll across, for example, and go down until you have found a template that you like. For this example, I'm just going to be using this option so you can see how it will look. And we're just going to tap on Select. After selecting it, you can now edit the page. By the way, you can also edit the page URL by tapping right here. You could change the URL. So for example, I could change it to landing page. After doing that, all we'll need to do now. So let's remove the caps lock. Then we'll tap on Edit Page. After selecting Edit Page, you can edit your landing page to your liking. So you can tap on the text and you can make any changes you want. And by going over to the left hand menu option, you can see different elements that you can add. So you can add your social if you like to collect more information on the form. You can also select form input and you can do that. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next, right where you see Contact Us, you'll tap on the button. You can change the button text from the left hand menu option if you want. So the first thing is you're going to submit their form. Then you want to ensure that they will be redirected to the next step. After doing that, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then select Exit. Then you're going to tap on Thank You page. And you're going to choose a template that best suits you. So you can scroll down and you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you can select whichever one of these templates you like to use. Let's say, for example, I'll be using this template right here. So I'll need to do is tap on Select. After selecting it, we can now edit it to our liking by tapping on Edit Page. And from here, you could make any changes that you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save. Then you'll select Exit. Now that you have created your landing page, the next thing we'll be doing is creating the automatic email sequence. To do this, you're going to hover over Emails from the top navigation bar, tap on Campaigns, then select Create in the top right hand corner, and you can give it a name. So for example, I'm just going to be calling it Email. Then you can select the email address. And by the way, if you haven't added an email address as yet, you can quickly go into settings and add one. But I would recommend that you add a professional email address. So you are going to add in your email address, then you'll tap on Save. Then you can select the email sequence name and you're just going to tap on Create. From here, you can put in your subject. So for example, let's say Welcome Email. Then you'll scroll down, tap on Save. And you're going to edit the email to your liking. So this will be the first email that persons will receive once they have signed up. So you can edit it, and again you can see the different content options from the left hand column. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save, then select Exit. Then from there you can hover over Save and you'll select Save and Publish. After doing that, all we'll need to do now, this email will be sent after. You're just going to leave it blank. So this will be the first email that persons will receive. Then you're going to tap on exit. Then we're going to tap on create once more in the top right hand corner. And you're going to be creating the second email. So this will be the follow-up email. You'll tap on save. After tapping on save, you can edit the email once more. Then you'll tap on save changes. Select exit in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on save and publish. And this will be the follow-up email after the welcome email. And it will be sent the day after. And we're just going to tap on activate. Once you have done that, you'll select save, then you'll select exit, and you can tap on create and you can enter more emails if you would like to create even more emails. After you have created the automatic email sequence, the next thing you'll need to do is connect your landing page to the email campaign. To do this, all you need to do is hover over automations, then you're going to select rules. After selecting rules, from here what I want you to do is right where you see choose trigger type, you can tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to select funnel step from subscribe. Then you can choose the funnel. After doing that, you can see right there when they reach the thank you page, or you can choose the opt-in page, whichever one of these options. So for example, let's say we were to select the opt-in page, and the action will be to subscribe to a campaign. And you're going to select the campaign that you have created, and you're just going to tap on create right here. So you can see it right there, and we're just going to tap on trigger. After doing that, funnel subscribe, then you're just going to tap on first, and we're going to select the thank you page. After doing that, you'll select action, and you're going to tap on subscribe to campaign. Then you'll choose the campaign, and you'll tap on save rule, and that's it. Once you have connected both of them, what I would recommend you do, you could create a tag also if it is a case that you would like to have numerous campaigns running. To create a tag is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is hover over CRM, then you'll select tags, and from there you could tap on create and you could create tags. So this will allow you to better organize the different emails that you collect. But that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.